In order to add event to calendar on Samsung Galaxy S25, first of all, we need to go to the calendar. And in this case, we need to go over here. Let's allow permissions. We can turn on the sync. And now in order to create an event, we can press this plus button in the bottom right corner. Over here, we can set up the title and the color as well. So let's say we're gonna choose red. We also have different icons that we can apply. We can choose the date and time and whether the event takes place the whole day. If not, then of course we can choose the time. So we can tap on this. On the left side we have the starting date, of course. So here we can choose when it begins and when it ends. The start time as well as the end time. And then we also have some additional options, like we can choose location, we can add people, we can manage alerts when we want to be notified 10 minutes before, 1 hour before, 1 day before, or we can create a custom alert, whether the event is repeated or not, and so on and so forth. Once you are done with this customization, once you fill everything in that you wish to fill, press save in the bottom right corner, and there we go, we have our event created. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!